Hello kids, today we will draw a cute castle. So let's start. First draw a horizontal line. Draw the line at the bottom of paper. Well done, now draw 4 vertical lines. Draw 2 lines, like this. Then draw the other 2 lines on the other side. Good job, it's looking very great. Now draw a triangle in the middle, like this. Just draw like me, and it's done. Well done, now draw a horizontal line. And draw 2 lines on both ends. Now draw some square, zigzag line. Look, we draw the castle pillar. Now draw the other pillar. Just do the same thing. Draw some zigzag lines, and it's done. Well done. It's looking very beautiful. Now let's draw some window. Draw a triangle on the pillar. Well done, now draw on the other pillar also. Good job, now let's draw the doors on the castle. Draw 2 vertical lines, then connect it with a big curve. Well done, now draw another door on other pillar. Lastly, draw a big door in the middle. Don't forget to make the doorknobs. Look, we almost complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use baby pink color on the castle. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color very carefully, and don't make any mistake. Look, it's looking very beautiful. It's very easy to draw, so don't forget to subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Now use dark pink color on the castle pillar. Color very carefully, and don't color on the window and door. It's looking very great. Now color on the other pillar also. Do the same thing. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. It's very easy to draw, so don't forget to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now use light brown color on castle pillar top. Don't make any mistake, and color only inside. Now color the other pillar. You can also use different color as you want. It's very easy to draw, so don't forget to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now use purple color on castle roof. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Now let's color on the window and doors of the castle. I'm use yellow color, but you can use any color you want. Color the outline of the door, then fill yellow color. It's very easy to draw, so don't forget to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Lastly, use white color to make the castle more shiny. First, draw some lines on the castle pillar. Now draw lines on the roof of castle. Also make some lines on top of door. Well done, we complete our drawing. Look how cute it's looking. To learn drawing, click here to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.